Hello, Assalamu alaikum to my viewers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. In this video, I am showing you different heart-shaped flower wreath ideas that can be used in different weddings, events, or to gift your loved ones. So if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new videos. So don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will enjoy it. In this video, I will bring some new designs of wreath ideas that is heart shape wreath ideas to gift your loved ones, and these types of heart shape wreaths can mostly used in different weddings. It can be used in different church weddings. And nowadays different theme parties can also be arranged for wedding events. These can also be used in these types of weddings. It can also hanged on front door with different types of flowers. It can be made up of roses or tulips or different types of flower like jasmine. These are some ideas that people use to gift something on their big days to your loved ones and to their friends and families. And these are some ideas I will bring for you, some new and unique ideas that you can give to your loved ones, and they feel happy to see, and you also feel happy to see happiness on their faces. Despite of giving gifts to someone you love, you can also hang it on door as seen in the picture. You can use it as a hanging to welcome your guest and give them a warm welcome. I hope you will like this video, and I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the first time, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new videos. Your positive response and feedback enables and motivates me to bring some new ideas for you. So I hope you will like it, and if you have any request, do mention in the comment section. I work on it to fulfill your request. And if you have any questions or query regarding this video, do mention in the comment section. I will answer all your questions and queries. If you like this video, please share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel. So keep supporting, keep watching. Thank you.